Being blackmailed with my nudes. This was back in 2014 pa. I never thought one photo could ruin everything. It started like any other late-night chat. His name was Carl. At least, yun ang sabi niya. We met on Twitter, bonded over anime memes and OPM playlists. He was charming, funny, and seemed to really get me. I was lonely. I was insecure. Kaya nung tinawag niya akong maganda and asked for a photo, I gave in. At first, selfie lang. Then medyo flirty. Hanggang sa nagsend ako ng hubad. Right after I sent it, I felt it. Yung kaba. Yung bigat sa dibdib. Gusto kong bawiin. Pero huli na. The next morning, may message ako. Magpadala ka ng 10,000 piso or ikakalat ko to sa classmates mo. Nanigas ako. I was a 19-year-old freshman, bagong salta sa Maynila, malayo sa pamilya ko sa Bicol. My hands were shaking. My throat felt like it closed. I stared at the screen habang pinapawisan, kahit malamig. I begged him. Sabi ko, please, burahin mo na lang. Ang sabi niya, tanga ka, sinend mo yan, so panindigan mo. He threatened to tag my school on Facebook. Nagpadala pa siya ng screenshot. Blurred yung katawan, pero mukha ko, klarong-klaro. Wala akong 10,000 piso. Kahit 1,000 piso, wala ako sa GCash ko. I blocked him. Gumawa siya ng bagong account. Then another. And another. Takot akong buksan ang phone ko. Bawat notification parang bomba. I stopped going to class. I avoided everyone. Umiiyak ako sa CR, hoping no one would hear. At one point, tumingin ako sa salamin and thought, baka mas okay kung mawala na lang ako. Pero one day, something clicked. Maybe I just got tired of being afraid. Lumapit ako sa prof ko. Mabait siya. Hindi ako hinusgahan. Dinala niya ako sa guidance office. They helped me report it sa cybercrime unit. At doon ko nalaman, hindi lang pala ako ang biktima. It's still hard. May trauma pa rin. Pero eto ako, buhay, at mas matapang. What happened to me? Hindi ko kasalanan yon. Kasalanan niya. Krimen yon. And now, I speak up because no one deserves to go through that alone. To other girls dyan, be content with yourselves and your body. It's yours. Huwag niyo ipamigay, please.